Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW 330i xDrive sedan with M Sport in Dravit Grey Metallic. Alright, this is a beautiful October morning. We have the 2023 BMW 330i xDrive sedan in Dravit Grey Metallic with the M Sport package. We do have a accessory winter wheel setup right now and some 18-inch black wheels. And I'm just gonna do a little walk around the vehicle before we get right into it and check out all of the details. Let's do it. Alright, so let's start off by looking at these BMW LED headlights. So these are obviously the new LCI design with the inverted L-shape headlights. We have the black kidney grille. So on the 330i, we get these new double slat kidney grills that is kind of reminiscent of an M car, which is interesting. We have the M Sport design down here. So we've got some of these blacked out areas with some air intakes and such. That looks really nice. These are the black 18-inch wheels that are winter tire setup. So I think this one actually had 791s on it before, but they're off right now for winter. This car's already sold. We've got body colored side mirrors. Love that Dravit Grey. Look at that amber flake you can kind of see on these sunny spots here, but you can definitely tell the car is gray, but I love Dravit Grey. We've got the sunroof. We've got the new style antenna. We've got nice body lines going all the way from the front to the back of the vehicle, right into the tail lights. And sorry that my shadow's in there. Let me change angles. Tail lights on there, so it's got some xDrive badging, some 330i badging in chrome. We've got the dual exhaust down there, so those are 100 millimeter tips. It's 10 millimeters bigger than the outgoing 330i exhaust tips. That new rear diffuser that some of you are not liking, I don't mind it at all. I think it looks a lot like the 4 Series Grand Coupe diffuser on the rear. I don't have a problem with this diffuser, and the center part kind of looks like the G42 M240i. The previous outgoing diffuser was a little bit more subtle, but I'm not opposed to this one whatsoever. Now let's take a look from the side here. Gas caps on the passenger side on all our cars. Let's open this up and take a look inside. So here we have a grocery bag hanger, a release lever to fold down the seat on either side. Seats fold down in a 60-40 split. Carpeted floor mats down here. And if I lift this part up, we have some area there to hold the tow hook and the wheel lock key. And let me just get this netting up. They always come down from the factory. And then we've got a little storage area over here as well. Let me close that, lots of space. Let's go over to the passenger door. So inside, we have the Cognac perforated Sensitech interior, which looks awesome. And we have armrest in the center here. We've got some cup holders. We've got a pass-through over there. We have vents on the back of the center console, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, pockets on the back of the seat, vents underneath the front seats, pockets on the side doors. Let's take a look at the front part of the cabin. So when I open the door for the front passenger side, you can see the aluminum M door sill, which looks great. More Cognac. We've got aluminum Rhombicle trim inside of here, and there's the large curved display for iDrive 8. And down here we've got some cup holders, USB 12-volt plug, a little storage area. We've got a couple of physical buttons here for some of the media and defrosting controls. There's the new style shifter, and inside of here, USB Type-C. It is illuminated in there as well. Inside of there, piece of paper, this glove box. Let's go over to the driver's side. All right, if I open the door from the driver's side, we do have some galvanic controls over here, memory buttons. We've got your side mirror controls. We have a trunk release down here. We've got power seats with lumbar. Take a little bit of a closer look at these Cognac seats. And there's xDrive 8. Let me just jump in here for one moment. And let's start the car. So that's what it looks like when you've got the car started. xDrive 8 looks really good. I know that some of you are a little bit opposed to the way that it sits on the dash. I don't have a problem with it. I think it looks really modern. It's not traditional by any means, and I know that's why a lot of you are against it. A lot of people are against change. That's just human nature. But honestly, it's really good. Let's take a look under the hood. All right, so I've just pulled the hood release 2 times, so now I can open up the hood. And there we have the B46 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. This produces 255 horse, 295 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal. We've got washer fluid over here. Looks really good underneath here. All right, so a little exhaust note test there in Sport warmed up. All right, so let me walk all the way around the video from some further distance so you guys can get a chance to really see what this car looks like. It looks really good. LCI design looks really bold, really modern. I like it. I'm not opposed to the pre-LCI design either, and I like both for different reasons, but this is a very nice looking car. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW 330i xDrive sedan in Dravit Grey Metallic with Cognac interior. It looks really awesome. You guys let me know in the comments below what you think of this car. If you liked the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.